In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. First, head to your Wix account and open My Sites. From there, choose the site you want to work on by selecting it and opening it in the editor. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix Studio editor. Give the editor a moment to load. Once it's open, we'll set up a page so you can see your menu in action. Open the Pages panel by clicking the highlighted Pages icon, then add a new page. Choose a blank page to keep things clean, and confirm to create the new page. When prompted, give your page a clear, simple name so it fits nicely in your menu. Short names keep the layout tidy and prevent wrapping on smaller screens. At the top of your site, you'll see the header area where the navigation bar typically lives. If a menu is already there, great. If not, open the Add panel, go to Menus and Anchors, and insert a horizontal menu. Place it in the header so it appears consistently across your site. If the interface highlights options as you go, just click the highlighted prompts to move forward. Select the menu and use the Navigate option to connect it to your site pages. This ensures each menu item points to the correct destination. You can rename or reorder items to match your site structure. If you add more pages later, they'll appear here too, and you can arrange them so your most important links come first. Now let's style it. With the menu selected, click Design, then Customize Design. Start with Fill Color and Opacity to control how the menu and items look. You'll see states like Regular and Hover. Regular is how items look normally. Hover is how they look when a visitor's cursor moves over them. Switch between states as you adjust colors and opacity, so you can match your brand and ensure good contrast. High contrast for Hover is a great way to make the site feel responsive and accessible. If you're using site theme colors, stick to those for consistency and easier future updates. As you tweak the look, review spacing and readability. Keep the font size legible, make sure there's enough padding around each item, and avoid overly transparent backgrounds that reduce clarity. Small refinements here make a big difference in user experience. When you're happy with the layout and styling, click Publish to push your changes live, then Done to wrap up. That's it. Your navigation menu is added, connected to your pages, and customized to your brand.